Hi there, Joe here. So today we're going to do something a little bit different, and I'm with my sister-in-law Tamara, and she bakes a wonderful zucchini bread. So I brought over zucchini from the garden, and Tamara will be walking us through how she makes the zucchini bread so that you can see a good way to use vegetables from your garden for baking.
Hi everyone, my name is Tamara. We're going to be making a healthier zucchini bread today. I'm going to go through the ingredients with you. I use 3 cups of flour. You can mix it with 1.5 cups white flour, 1.5 cups wheat flour, but I find the wheat flour definitely gives it a different taste that I don't care for. 1.5 cups sugar, 1 cup of sweetened applesauce. I just use the little packets so that I'm not wasting an entire jar. 3/4 of a cup of egg beaters, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/2 a cup of cold pressed canola oil. And the reason you want to use the cold press is because they don't use heat to extract it, and it retains the vitamins, which are really good for you. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I like to add in, after everything, oh, and I forgot, 2 cups of zucchini. And then the last ingredient that goes in is 1/2 a cup of walnuts and 1 cup of mini organic chocolate chips. So we're going to take our 2.5 cups shredded zucchini. I peel it and take out the seeds because nobody likes to bite on those when they're having cake. I shred it right into a colander in the sink so that you get that extra moisture out, but you do want to leave it a little bit wet. Then I'm going to add my 3/4 cup of the egg beaters, my 2 teaspoons of vanilla, my 1/2 cup of the cold pressed canola oil, my 1 cup of applesauce, and I know that 2 of these equals a cup because they're each 4 ounces, and I can do math sometimes. And then I'm going to blend all these wet ingredients. Then to the wet ingredients, I'm going to add the sugar, the spices, and the flour, and I'm going to blend again. You can use a KitchenAid mixer to blend the ingredients, but I prefer the standard old-fashioned handheld beater because I can control making sure that the ingredients are going in together nicely, and I can scrape the sides and get all that zucchini and good stuff in there. The last thing I do is pour in the chocolate chips and the walnuts, and I hand mix those in. Now we are ready to grease. I use the little tin foil pans. I find them to be easiest because I make big batches. So I can pour the wet ingredients in here. I can bake them. I cool them thoroughly, and then they come supplied with the plastic lids, which I then cover when it's totally cool, and I can stick them in my freezer. If you don't want to use the plastic lids, you still need to make sure that they come to full room temperature, and then you can insert them right in the pan into a Ziploc freezer bag. So I'm going to just lightly pan it. Pour it in. I fill it about halfway because it will rise with the baking powder. I set my oven to 350. Generally takes about 40 minutes, but depending on your oven, you'll have to watch it and insert the toothpick to make sure that it comes out clean and it's finished.
So the zucchini bread was delicious. I would give the level of effort for making the zucchini bread 2 beers, and the instructions and ingredients will be attached in a PDF to the video that you can download. Tamara, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, guys, from the cool Tallman.
Thank you. Take care.